Hey everyone, welcome to my 2018 Spring Decor Tour. Today we're going to be starting on my front porch, and although it's still a little chilly to plant flowers, I did get a couple of things to spruce it up for spring. I made a wreath for the front door. I purchased a new welcome mat from Walmart, and I found the welcome wooden sign also at Walmart. And for the wreath, I just took a grapevine wreath and the lamb's ear. Also, I purchased a bouquet of flowers from Michael's and cut to separate them and just stuck them in the grapevine wreath. Okay, as we enter, you'll see my foyer, and then to the right of the foyer is our dining room. And you'll notice that I don't do a whole lot of decorating. I just kind of do little touches here or there. And then for the Easter season, I also added a little bit of my Easter decor. And on my dining room table, I have this wooden metal tray and this sweet little bunny candle holder. Sorry, it's really bright outside, but I'm not going to complain for the sun being out today because it has been so rainy and cloudy here. But I do apologize that it's a little washed out. And then in this vase, I have some eucalyptus and a little spring flower pick. And then this little moss bunny that I got at Pier 1 years ago. And on my sideboard table, I just have this little chick that I got at Target a couple years ago. And in my milk glass container, I just have some grass and some eggs. And that's my dining room. Okay, and then here we are in my foyer. I do like decorating this dresser that I have in my foyer. Now, I want to repaint this dresser, so give me some ideas, some suggestions that you think what color I should paint this dresser. And again, I just decorated this vase with some spring flowers and another one of those sweet little moss bunnies. And then I used some natural crinkle paper and just added a couple more of those eggs. And this little bunny I got over at Marshall's. And I just put some green Easter grass and then stuck the lilac in there that I purchased at Walmart. This boxwood wreath I got over at TJ Maxx, and then the black and white chevron ribbon I got at Walmart. And all I did was wrapped it around the boxwood, tied it in a knot, and then attached a command hook at the top of my mirror. And on my side table, I just used an extra little floral pick that I had from a DIY spring floral challenge that we did earlier this year. Stuck it in one of the milk glasses that I had from the dollar store, tied a little bit of that black and white chevron ribbon around it, and then in the Easter basket I just stuck a couple more of those little eggs in it. Now this table is another table that I would like to repaint, so give me suggestions what you think, what color I should paint this table. This galvanized tray I got at Kirkland's on clearance. I think I only paid like $5 or $6 for it. And then I got that sweet little bunny candy jar over at the Target dollar spot. And here's my spring kitchen table centerpiece. I do have a video that shows how I've put this together, and I'll link that below. In this corner of my kitchen, I like to leave my meal planner by Carrie L on display, and I just have it on a tray with a candle and this little galvanized bucket that I found at the Dollar Tree. I will leave Carrie L's information down in the description box if you'd like to go check out her planners. Who else remembers and loves these little wind-up chicks? They are just the cutest. And for this banner, I just hot glued these Dollar Tree carrots onto some twine and attached it to my fireplace panel. I'd like to thank you for stopping by today and watching my spring home decor tour. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, we would love to have you over as part of our family here at Yellow Daisy. Have a great day until we see you again. Bye-bye.